Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 1st August 2020. This is our current affairs session. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. Please try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was, who named by United Nations Chief for new advisory group? Rajesh Shukla, Rajesh Kumar, Archana Soreng. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Archana Soreng. Indian climate activist Archana Soreng has been named by UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres to his new advisory group. Okay, Archana Soreng belongs to Odisha Sundargarh district. She belongs to Odisha Sundargarh district. Okay, our second question was, Kazi Anik Islam got 2-year ban for doping. He is related to which sports? Cricket, football, tennis, baseball. The correct answer here is option A, cricket. Kazi Anik Islam is a Bangladeshi pacer, got 2-year ban for doping. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which district has topped in the list of aspirational district in overall delta ranking by government think tank Niti Aayog? Bijapur, Rivoi, Bahraich, Sundargarh. The correct answer here is Bijapur. Option A is correct here. Bijapur district in Chhattisgarh has topped the list of the aspirational district overall delta ranking by government think tank Niti Aayog. Okay, who is the chairman of the Niti Aayog? Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the chairman of Niti Aayog, and CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant is the CEO of Niti Aayog. Bijapur is in Chhattisgarh district. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel, and Anusuya Uki is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Okay, Bijapur is in Chhattisgarh district and got the first rank in overall delta ranking by government think tank Niti Aayog. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question, who launched personal UPI payment link mpay.me? PhonePe, MobiKwik, Paytm, Amazon. The correct answer here is MobiKwik. Option B is correct here. MobiKwik digital wallet company has launched mpay.me UPI link service recently. UPI link service. Okay, the headquarters is situated in Gurugram. The headquarters of the MobiKwik is situated in Gurugram, and CEO of the MobiKwik is Bipin Preet Singh. Bipin Preet Singh is the CEO of MobiKwik. Okay, next question, who has developed ASRE, a medical bed isolation system to combat COVID-19? DRDO, ICMR, DIET. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, DIET. Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. The abbreviation of the DIET is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. DIET has developed ASRE, a medical bed isolation system to combat COVID-19. Okay, the headquarters of the DIET is situated in Maharashtra, Pune. In Maharashtra, Pune is situated the headquarters, and vice chancellors of the DIET is CP Ramanarayan. CP Ramanarayan is the vice chancellor of DIET. Okay, next question, who became new private secretary up to Prime Minister Modi? Option A, Hardik Satish Chandra Shah, Varun Sridhar, Sanjay Kundu. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Hardik Satish Chandra Shah. Option A is correct here. Hardik Satish Chandra Shah, a 2010 batch IS officer. A 2010 batch IS officer recently appointed as the personal secretary PS to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, you can see the image of Hardik Satish Chandra Shah here, a 2010 batch IS officer and recently appointed as personal secretary to the Prime Minister. Next question, Padma Shri awardee Sanam Sering Lepcha passed away. He belongs to which state? Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. The correct answer here is option D, West Bengal. Folk musician and Padma Shri awardee Sonam Saring Lepcha recently passed away. He was born in West Bengal in 1928. In 1928, he born in West Bengal. He started his career as a soldier, and he is very famous for his as a folk musician. Okay, he belongs to West Bengal. The capital of the West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. Okay, next question. Rajat Bhatia has announced his retirement. He belongs to which sports? Football, cricket, chess, tennis. The correct answer here is cricket. Option B is correct here. Rajat Bhatia has announced his retirement. He belongs to cricket sports. He is a veteran Indian domestic all-rounder. Okay, he started his career with Tamil Nadu in 1999 to 2000, but most played for the Delhi, and also he belongs to the Delhi Daredevils IPL team. You can see the image of Rajat Bhatia here. He announced his retirement recently. Question number 7. Who has banned the BS4 vehicle till further order? NHAI, Supreme Court, Home Ministry. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court recently banned the BS4 vehicle till further order. Okay. Next question. Railway has installed automatic lighting system in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer here is Madhya Pradesh. Option A is correct here. Railways has installed three automatic lighting system in Jabalpur. First in Jabalpur, in Narsinghpur, and Bhopal railway stations of Madhya Pradesh. Automatic lighting system is installed. A unique step towards energy conservation. So examination point of view, it is very much important. It is first in India. Okay. Next question. KVIC has received purchases order of 1.80 lakh face masks from whom? ICMR, IRCS, AIMS, NTPC. The correct answer here is IRCS. IRCS stands for Indian Red Cross Society. And KVIC stands for Khadi and Village Industry Commission. Recently, Khadi and Village Industry Commission has received a purchases order of 1.80 lakh face masks from IRCS, Indian Red Cross Society. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who honored with Karambir Chakra Award? Sandeep Maheshwari, Sunil Yadav SS. Option C, Vivek Bindra. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Sunil Yadav SS. Recently, founder of the SS Motivation World record holder Sunil got the Karambir Chakra Award by Global Fellowship Award Institute by United Nations and International Confederation of NGO. The short form is ICONGO. Okay, he got the award. You can see the image of Sunil here. He was awarded at the Rex Conclave hosted at Delhi. Okay, the Karambir Chakra Award. This award is a sign to respect for its ambassador, former president and scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. As per you know, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, PFC has signed an agreement with whom for smart grid technology? Our second question is, who is appointed as CEO of Paytm Money? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit educational wing, please like and subscribe the channel. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you.